Look, this is extremely boring, but it'll make beginners $10,000 a month. I'm Fred, I come from a low middle class family, and I built a consulting business that's generated thousands of dollars a day, mostly profit. Like, I went from being an anxious kid who couldn't even go for a walk outside for months to closing $6, even $18,000 deals with complete strangers. My goal with this video is to show you how a complete newbie like you can get to $10,000 a month by sticking with the boring fundamentals. Here's the first boring truth that nobody wants to hear. The business model that actually works for beginners is high-ticket services or consulting. It's not dropshipping, it's not crypto, it's not some passive income scheme you saw on TikTok. I'm talking about selling services or consulting to businesses or individuals who've got money and real problems they need solved. So it's not sexy, it's not gonna make you sound cool at parties, but the math is incredibly simple. And business is just mathematics, as I love to say it. If you get 5 clients at $2,000 a month each, that's $10,000. If you get 3 clients at $3,500 a month, that's $10,500. You don't need 100 customers. You don't need to go viral. You just need a handful of people who are willing to pay you for solving a specific problem they have. Now, what does this actually look like? On the business-to-business side, it could be lead generation for local businesses, running ads for e-commerce companies, sales consulting for agencies, or business coaching for entrepreneurs who are stuck. On the business-to-consumer side, it could be helping people lose weight through fitness coaching, helping people find a marriage-worthy partner through dating coaching, helping people fix their mindset and overcome their limiting beliefs, or helping people advance their careers. The point is, you are solving a real problem for people who've got money to spend on the solution, and you are charging a premium price because you deliver real value. Now, this is boring. There's no passive income. There's no automated system at first. You are trading your knowledge, your expertise, and your time for money, but it works, and it works fast if you actually do it. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, this brings me to my next point, and this is the boring daily activity that most people refuse to do. You need to do outreach and build a brand by posting content on social media. Let's start with outreach because this is what's gonna get you clients in the next 30 to 60 days. Outreach means you're sending personalized messages, hundreds of them per day ideally or per week, to your ideal clients. This happens on LinkedIn, email, Instagram DMs, Facebook, etc. You want to pick one platform where your ideal clients are hanging out on and go all in on it. If you're targeting business owners, you probably want to be on LinkedIn. If you're targeting the younger generation, you probably want to be on Instagram, maybe even TikTok. YouTube is the best, like it works for all industries, so you should be on YouTube. But here's the key. You need volume. Most people send 20 messages, they get a couple rejections, they get ignored, and they give up. They get emotional when they don't even have enough data. They tell themselves, oh, it doesn't work. But the winners, they're sending 500 messages, 1,000 messages. They know it's a numbers game. If you send enough messages to the right people with the right offer, some of them will say yes. It's just math. Now, at the same time, you also need to be building a brand by posting content on social media. This is the long-term play. Every single day, you should be posting something valuable. Share what you're learning. Share your journey, share insights about your industry, share client wins when you get them. Because over time, that content builds an audience, and that audience becomes your warm market. Those are the people who are going to reach out to you, wanting to work with you. But here's the thing, the downside of content is that it's slow. You can't predict when it's going to pop off. You can't control who sees it, so you can't really rely on it alone, especially in the beginning. That's why you want to do both. Outreach gets you clients now. Content builds your brand for the future. And even for now, you can get customers quickly. But both are boring. Both require you to show up every single day, but I can guarantee both work if you actually stick with them. Now, the third boring thing you need to master, and there's no way around this, I'm sorry to say, is having sales conversations. You need to get on calls and close deals, period. There's no magic script that makes people want to buy and pay you thousands of dollars without you talking to them. And there's no way to build a $10,000 a month business without ever selling something. So you need to learn how to communicate the value you offer. You need to learn how to handle objections. You need to be able to be confident enough to state the price and see what they say. And at first, it's gonna feel very uncomfortable. Your first sales calls are probably gonna feel horrible. It's normal. You're gonna stumble over your words. You're gonna freeze when someone asks you a question you didn't prepare for. You're gonna be nervous. But guess what? That's fine, because every call makes you better. Every objection you handle teaches you something. Every no gets you closer to a yes. And this is the skill, sales, that directly puts money in your bank account. You can have the best offer in the world, but if you can't communicate why someone should buy it, you're not making any money. Every successful business owner can sell, every single one. So if you're serious about hitting $10,000 a month, you need to get comfortable with sales calls. Book as many as you can by making content, reaching out to leads, even running ads if you can afford it. You can even practice sales calls with AI. This is non-negotiable. Now, this next thing is really important, so please pay attention. You need to actually deliver results for your clients. I know it sounds obvious. Wow, we actually have to help the people who pay us. No shit, Sherlock. But you would be shocked to see how many people just don't even care. They get a client and then they half-ass the work, or they overpromise and under-deliver. And then they wonder why they can't get more customers. Well, here's the reality. There are no shortcuts. You have to do good work and get people real outcomes. Your first clients are your marketing. Their results are what will get you your next clients. If your first 3 clients get amazing results and they're telling everyone about you, you don't even need to do that much outreach anymore. Clients start coming to you. But if your first clients have a bad experience, it's going to be more difficult. Nobody's going to refer you, you won't get testimonials, so you're starting over from scratch. So in the beginning, you need to over-deliver even if you're charging less than what you're worth. The goal is to treat every client like they're paying you $10,000, even if they're only paying you $1,000 or a few $100. One of my clients, Azar, he went on to make $10,000 in his first 90 days of working with me, learning my method, and then he went on to make $23,000 per month, recurring income, working with only a few high-end customers. And I still remember when he showed up on the first couple calls we had together, the group calls. At first, just like everyone else, he had no customers. And then he got his first client, and that was awesome, I was proud of him. And then I asked him how much it was for. He said it was like a one-time service for $300, and that's it. Well, now if you knew how much he charges, over $10,000 per client, you'd be impressed. So just because you start by charging a low price doesn't mean you have to stay there. So for your first customers, and even your next customers, of course, send them updates, go above and beyond, respond to their messages quickly. And while you're doing this, document everything. Take screenshots of the results you're generating. Track the metrics. Get testimonials. Record video testimonials if you can. Because that proof is what allows you to charge way more for your next customers. That proof is what makes your sales calls easier. It's your marketing. So don't skip the delivery. Don't take shortcuts. Do great work and actually help people. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. The 5th boring truth, and this is where most people fail, is that this takes consistency over months, not just days. Look, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not gonna happen overnight. It can take you months of consistent effort before you make $10,000 a month. But so what? What's the other option? Working a job you hate for the rest of your life? So you're gonna have to do the boring tasks every single day, even and especially when you don't see results yet. Sending outreach messages when nobody's responding, posting content when nobody's watching, getting on sales calls when people keep saying no, showing up and doing the work when your bank account is still at 0. Most people fail because they give up at month 2 when they're right on the edge of breaking through. They've been grinding for 8 weeks. They haven't made much money yet, and they convince themselves it's not working. So they quit. They move on to the next shiny object, and they never find out that if they had just stuck with it for 1 more month, everything would have clicked. The winners are just the people who didn't quit. They're not smarter. They're not more talented. They just used to stop. So if you start this journey, you need to commit to it for at least 6 months. Don't evaluate whether it's working after only 2 weeks. Don't give up just because you had a bad month. Keep showing up, keep doing the boring work, keep sending messages, keep posting content, keep getting on calls, keep delivering for clients, and trust that the results will come if you stay consistent. Now this brings me to my final point, and I know that this is the most boring of all, but it's also the most important. You need to spend money on investing in yourself, work with a mentor, get in a program that teaches you everything step by step, instead of trying to figure everything out alone. I know you want to save money. I know you think you can just watch free YouTube videos and piece it together yourself. But here's the reality. That's gonna take you years, and you're gonna make expensive mistakes along the way that cost you way more than a mentor would have cost. A good mentor compresses your timeline from 2 years to 2 to 6 months. They've already made all the mistakes. They've already tested everything. They know what works and what doesn't. So instead of wasting a year testing random strategies you saw on the internet, you just follow their proven process, you skip all the trial and error, you avoid the costly mistakes, and you get results way faster. Plus, a mentor gives you accountability. When you're doing this alone, it's easy to make excuses. It's easy to skip a day. It's easy to quit when it gets hard. But when you have someone checking in on you, when you have someone holding you to your commitments, you're way more likely to actually do the work. Now, yes, it costs money, but it's the fastest path to $10,000 a month. And you can't expect other people to invest in your products, your services, your coaching, if you yourself are not willing to invest in yourself. So I'll be honest, investing in education isn't sexy. It's not particularly exciting, but it works. If I hadn't done it, I would have not made that much money. That would have been impossible. So here's the reality. Making $10,000 a month is boring. It's doing outreach. It's taking sales calls, even if it scares the living shit out of you at first. It's delivering for clients, posting content every day without missing a day, being consistent for months, for years, investing in yourself. None of that is sexy on paper, but all of it works. And the people making $10,000 a month right now, they're doing these boring things every single day. So the question is simple. Are you willing to do boring work for 6 months to change your life? Or are you going to keep chasing exciting shortcuts that never actually work? The choice is yours. If you want to get my help, so we can help you build a profitable course, coaching, or service business, even with limited free time, limited money, and no previous experience, check out the free resources in the description below.